On the group menu, you are able to see when the 30-second monthly test and 90-minute annual tests are to be run. You can also change the day and time when these tests are scheduled. To do so, simply click the test you would like to reschedule. Click the pencil icon next to the date or time, make the changes as needed, and click Save. The test will first run at the day and time chosen. In the case of this 30-second test, it will run every 4 weeks after this date on the same day of the week and time selected. You can also change the day and time a particular zone is tested, separate from the group. Start by going into the zone menu and selecting the test you wish to change. Then the process is the same as changing the group schedule. Please note, changing group schedules will overwrite zone schedules, so make sure you set the group schedules first and the zone schedules second.